Plant Therapy's Diffuse On The Move is a USB portable diffuser that allows you to enjoy your essential oils anywhere you travel. Diffuse On The Move is compact, stylish, and portable. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, pink, and champagne. You can carry this diffuser in your pocket, in your purse, in your desk drawer at work, your laptop bag. You can even diffuse in your car. This mobile diffuser is so versatile. Diffuse On The Move plugs into any USB or 12-volt outlet, and it even comes with a car adapter. Plus, it's easy to use. Just remove the cover, fill the bottle with your favorite essential oil, screw on the wick, and place the bottle into the diffuser with the diffusion tip pointing towards the top. Close the cover, plug it in, and you're ready to diffuse. It has 3 settings. Push the button once to choose a 10-second diffusion interval, push it twice for a 30-second interval, or push it 3 times for a 60-second interval. Disconnect when not in use. Plant Therapy also offers replacement bottles, so you can take with you as many oils as you'd like. Simply switch out the bottle inside. Wherever you travel, never be without your essential oils with Diffuse On The Move.